guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to create a really fun look using the Zulu palette by Juvias. This is a stunning palette. Let me show you. How gorgeous is this palette? It's stunning. So I am going to start by prepping my eye with the Maq Pro Fard cream palette in white, and I'm just going ahead and applying that onto my whole entire eye, all the way up to the brow. And I love this because it really grabs on. The shadow really grabs onto the makeup, and it actually makes it pop a lot, which is what you want with these colors. But as you can see, that's what it looks like. All right, and so now that we're done with that, we are going to go ahead and pack on this beautiful pink shadow right here with a Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dip that in. Can you see? All right, and I'm going to pack that in like so. This is the Morphe 505, M505. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my buffing motions, like my windshield wiper is what I call it. And I'm going to go ahead and buff that out like you can see here, because we want to create that beautiful gradient effect. The Morphe 406, 408. And I use this in my violets look that I did. I'm using my Fix Plus, and I'm going ahead in with the shimmer and then this matte turquoise color. I'm going to apply that on the lid like so. How gorgeous is this pigment, man? Like, it is stunning. All right, and then I'm dipping in with that same brush in that matte color. And as you can see, like, my motion here is I'm packing it on, but I'm also creating a line, almost like a cut crease, if you will. Gorgeous green that's in the middle. I'll show you that green right here. Same brush, and that's gonna go right in the beginning of the eye. It almost looks like a mint green when you apply it over the teal, which I like that variance of color. Oh, I think I put a little too much on that side, so I'm gonna even it out. Of course, that always happens. I'm telling you, that literally always happens. All right, so now that that's done, I'm grabbing my MAC brush. This is I should know these by heart, 221S. And I am going in with this beautiful matte purple right here. All right, and I am going ahead and adding that right underneath the pink. Right on the outer corner, and I'm bringing it up slightly. And I'm just adding that into my crease a little tiny bit, just to blend everything together. Now I'm grabbing the blending brush and I'm going ahead and gently very gently blending those two together with my windshield wiper motions, as you can see here. All right. And as you can see here, sometimes you get a little bit of a line because you're working with multiple colors, so making sure that you really diffuse your colors is super, super important. I love how that looks. It's even. I think I might have to deepen that up a little tiny bit more. And stepping back is really important as well when you're working with an array of beautiful bright colors like the Zulu palette. It's really stunning. I love it. I love it so much. And I actually used that bright pink and the shimmer pink that's in that palette for a blush today. I use it on this side and it's just stunning, darling. All right. I'm going in with my Alyssa Edwards palette. I'm using this matte white right here. Any matte white will do, but I like Alyssa Edwards. Love her palette. And the color's called Headliner. I love it. All right, I love how that blends. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my liner and my lashes. For those of you who are wondering, I'm using the Cara lashes and the Wispies. I bought these online many, many moons ago. I buy them in bulk because, as you guys know, I do hair and makeup. So when I'm doing makeup, I'm obviously using a bazillion lashes every wedding season. So these are really awesome. It gives it that nice wispy effect. And then I'm going in with my Sonia roselli drop lashes at the bottom. So I will catch you guys soon. And we are finished. Yes, I am feeling this look. It's giving me like mermaid and Barbie vibes. Like, I'm just living for it. And like I said, I'm using the Zulu palette by Juvias. You guys gotta get your hands on this palette. And I'm happy to say that I'm using the beautiful Glossy Gloss by Eileen. She's amazing. And I'll leave her information in the description box below along with the product breakdown. But this color is called Poppin Pink. It is gorgeous. So shout out to her, follow her, definitely. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoy this look that I created. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to like and to comment. I will catch you guys soon. Bye.